Picture this. What if you could take just a handful of still photos and turn them into a smooth 3D animated video, completely free without a single bit of filmmaking skill? Would you believe it? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But stick with me until the very end of this video, because I'm about to share a ridiculously simple trick to make your animation buttery smooth. Hey there, I'm David from NextGen David AI. If you love powerful AI tools that save you time and can even help you grow an extra stream of income, go ahead and hit subscribe and tap the bell right now. To kick things off, let me share a short story I created with AI in less than 30 minutes.
Amara, a little girl with curly brown hair and a green dress, wandered barefoot through the thick jungle. The butterflies led her to a secret clearing where sunlight poured through the canopy, illuminating an ancient stone pedestal. Amara reached out. The moment her fingers brushed the book's cover, the leaves quivered, and golden letters shimmered across its surface. The book opened itself, releasing a swirl of glowing vines and tiny spirit-like creatures.
And you know what? That animation you just watched was made with only 6 images. Sounds unbelievable, but it's totally possible. And I'm going to walk you through every step. First things first, open up ChatGPT. I'm screen recording so you can follow along step by step. In the chat box, type something like, I want a short story about 200 words, about a little girl who discovers a magical book deep in the jungle. Please break it into around 6 scenes and give me an image prompt for each one. The main character must keep the same appearance throughout the story. This single prompt tells ChatGPT to create both the full story and 6 detailed scene descriptions. And that last part about keeping the character's look consistent is super important if you want all the images to match perfectly. Hit enter and let's see what we get. Right away, ChatGPT gives you a complete script, split into 6 scenes, along with detailed descriptions of the character Amara. That description is priceless, because when you move over to an image generation tool, you'll need Amara to look exactly the same in every single frame. Next, open your browser and search for Dzine AI. That's spelled Dzine AI. Click on the very first link and sign up for the free trial. Don't worry, all you need is an email. I'll drop the Digen AI link down in the comments. Inside your new Dzine AI account, click New Project, give it any name you like, and choose your aspect ratio. Since I'm creating a YouTube video, I'm picking 16:9. Then hit Apply, and you'll see the main workspace appear. Look over to the panel on the left and choose Text to Image. In the prompt box, paste the description for the very first scene that ChatGPT created. Quick tip. Right after the name Amara, add the character description in parentheses. For example, Amara, a 7-year-old girl with curly brown hair, wearing a green dress, barefoot on a jungle path, surrounded by glowing butterflies lighting the way. Adding those details makes sure every single image keeps Amara's look consistent. Now just hit Submit. Dzine AI will instantly generate 2 images. If you're not happy with them, just click Generate Again until you get the look you want. Repeat this process for all 6 scenes, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a complete set of consistent Amara images. Super easy. I actually ran it about 10 times and picked my favorite 8 pictures. What do you think of these shots? Drop a comment below and let me know. Next, head over to Digen AI. Don't worry, I'll drop the link down in the comments for you. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Image to Video tab. Upload the very first picture you just saved. In the prompt box, paste the scene description that ChatGPT gave you. Here's the key setup. Choose either a 5-second or 10-second clip. I usually pick 5 seconds to save credits. And guess what? A free Digen account gives you 300 credits every day, which is plenty to make about 10 5-second clips. Perfect if you're just starting out. So step by step, upload your image, paste the prompt, pick the clip length, and hit Generate. Do that for all 6 scenes. In just a few minutes, you'll have 6 animated clips that tell Amara's entire story from start to finish. Now, it's time to stitch everything together. Open your favorite editing software, Premiere, CapCut, or whatever you like, and drop all 6 clips onto the timeline in order. To bring the story to life, add some voiceover. You can record your own, but if you want something quick and natural, try ElevenLabs. Just paste in your script, choose a male or female voice, and even tweak the tone or emotion. The tool will create a smooth, lifelike narration in just seconds. When ElevenLabs finishes generating the voiceover, just download the audio file and drop it right onto your timeline.
That's it. You can also add a few transitions in this section to make the video look more polished and professional. Then, drop in some background music and a few subtle sound effects. I usually head over to Pixabay for free effects, like birds chirping, forest wind, or running water. Just download them and drag them onto the timeline. Even a handful of gentle effects instantly makes your video feel much more professional. Once everything is in place, your clips, voiceover, and background music, export the video in HDE in about 30 minutes. You'll have a complete 3D animated story, all created from just 6 images.
Pretty amazing, right? Who knew making animation could be this simple? With tools like these, you can start a faceless YouTube channel, share fun stories, and even turn it into a brand new income stream. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe to Digen AI, and drop a comment letting me know which AI tool you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next video.